How to fix a paper or carriage jam on the HP Inktank 110 printer series. Fix your HP Inktank 110 series printer when the warning and resume lights blink or the printhead alert, error, and resume lights blink. Remove all paper and obstructions from the input and output trays. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and outlet. This resets the printer and prevents damage when removing jams. Close the output tray extender and tray. Open the exterior and printhead access doors. Without touching the blue latch, slide the carriage to the far left and right, removing any obstructions in the carriage path or against the far walls. Close the printhead access door and exterior door, and then lower the input tray. On the bottom of the printer, push the two tabs on the cleanout door to open it, and then remove any obstructions. Push the cleanout door to snap it back into place. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and directly into a wall outlet, and the printer turns on automatically. Lift the input tray, load paper, and adjust the guide. Open the output tray and extender, and then on your mobile device or computer, print a document.